Hello friends, I am Madhumitra, 3rd BCom B, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the HR audit. First, we will see the meaning of HR audit. HR audit is a process of evaluating the effectiveness of HR functions. It is concerned with examination and evaluation of the policies, procedures, and practices with reference to the human resources of the organization. It is a periodic review to measure the efficiency and effectiveness of HRM. It means HR audit is examination and evaluation of policies, procedures, and practices to determine the effectiveness of HR. Definition of HR audit. HR audit is defined as a way of assessing the nature and impact of human resource department activity at particular point in time. Next, we will see the features of HR audit. There are 7 features. First one, HR audit is an objective assessment of the HR function of an organization. Second one, it is carried out regularly, usually every 1 year. Third one, it can be conducted by company officials or by outside experts. Fourth one, data relating to various aspects of HR activities is collected. This data is the basics for conduct of the audit. Fifth one, HR audit measures actual performance with standards to identify deviations. Sixth, it detects whether the HR function has complied with legal regulation and company policies. Seventh one, reports of the HR audit is sent to the top management to ensure that corrective action is taken in case of deficiencies. These are the features of HR audit. Now we will see the approaches of HR audit. There are 5 approaches: comparative approach, external consultant approach, legal approach, statistical approach, management by objective approach. First, comparative approach. The HR audit of the company is conducted and results compared with the results of the model organization. The areas considered for comparison are staff utilization, wages and salary, rate of absenteeism, and turnover, grievances, etc. Second one, external consultant approach. External HR experts are appointed for the specific purpose of conducting HR audit. Using their vast experience, they can point out areas that need improvement. They can also suggest measures to improve the weak areas. Third one, legal approach. The legal approach verifies whether statutory requirements have been completed in a time. Fourth one, statistical approach. In this approach, the HR auditor verifies past HR records. His objective is to verify whether the firm has followed legal regulation and company policies. Final approach of management by objectives. Managers and HR specialists discuss and set objectives through mutual consultation. The HR auditor compares the actual performance with the objectives set to deviations.